so here we are looking at a sink drain. This is leaking. It needs to be replaced. The faucet and the drain is pretty clogged up too. As you can see as I open the clean out. There is a lot of gunk in here. I'm going to try to get that out of there. Snake that out of there. Alright, so we're still snaking this out. We got a lot of the stuff out of the clean out, and we are getting the snake to run down, so that's a good thing. Get it to run through the P-trap and down the drain pipe. So it looks like it's going in pretty good. I'm probably about 25 feet in right now. I'm gonna keep going. This particular one I have is 35. I think that'll make it all the way down to the pipe that I seen below, because I seen the drain pipe where it goes. 35 should be plenty to clear anything out, as long as it ain't all like that all the way in. If it is, then that's gonna have to be upward snake to pull all that out. Even if it maybe even have to replace the pipe if it's all pipe crud, like the pipes, but I don't know. We'll see. Let's just try to see if we can clear it from here first. So I'm gonna keep running that until I get it all the way down. I'll run it back and forth a couple times. We'll try to run the water, see if it goes down. If it does, that's good. And then I gotta get a new faucet next. That's my next goal. All right, so we definitely get some sludge out of there. Look at all that I pulled out. That's good. We'll clear that off and we're gonna run it again. All right, so with the second round, ran it all the way 30 feet down, and this came up clean this time. So I think I've got it cleared. Still got some more stuff in the clean out I'm gonna try to get out, and then we're gonna put the plug back in. Try to run some water. If it goes down, we've solved that problem. I just got to get another faucet now. All right, so I had to bring in the big snake. Went 75 feet. Started at 35, got some of it. Had to go to 50, couldn't get it. So 75, finally got it. And brought up a bunch of wipes and stuff, as you can see here. Whole bunch of that stuff we pulled. So, as you know, the sink was leaking, dripping, and then overflowing, going down. As you can see, I fixed all that. And these are all the valves here that were bad. Handles all fixed, all replaced. And so no more leaks. And now, as you can see, the clog is also solved. Goes down real nice. Boom, look at that, perfect. I'll even run it a little longer just until it goes all the way down to the main set. Down in the zone. Look at that go. Fast drain. Real good. So you are all set on this one. Leak is corrected. Drain is corrected. We'll run it just a little longer to be sure. Well, this new faucet works really good too. Perfect. I had to go look for these valves. They were really hard to get. All right, looks great.